Create new document with 250 and 250 dimensions. Select rectangle tool. Draw rectangle shape. Make rounded corner. Click on appearance. Fill with blue color. Increase stroke size to 3 pixels. Set stroke color to white. Select gradient tool. Set foreground. Click to active. Set end color to dark blue. And begin color to light blue. Select radial gradient. Select gradient tool in left side panel. Tweak the position of gradient. Press on selection tool. File, export selection.